This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Macklin. Absolutely stunning home in Governor's Point. Looks like a model. Great open floor plan west/beautiful wood floors, kitchen west/large center island, upgraded cabinets, granite countertops, walk-in pantry, double ovens, and stainless steel appliances. Additional updates include new plantation shutters throughout the entire home and updated light fixtures. Impressive custom cabinetry added to the home office makes working from home a joy. Besides the first floor guest BDR, the upstairs has 4 more bedrooms, 3 full baths and a loft. The large primary suite has 2 walk-in closets, ensuite bathroom west/tiled shower, soaking tub, and dual vanity. Great curb appeal, professionally maintained landscaping. The neighborhood offers 3 lakes, piers, jogging path, tennis courts, putting lawn, grills, playgrounds, clubhouse, pool, and gym. Just minutes from I-664 and James River Bridge. For more information,